Hello friends, how are you? Today I will show you a drone at huge discount price and discuss it in detail. There is a special price offer on this drone. One more thing, if you want to buy this drone, you can see the link to buy the drone in the comment or description box of this video. You can buy the drone from our website by clicking on that link. So do not know the details of what is in this drone. Immersive flight experience. Feel the thrill of immersive flight provided by the DJI FPV Goggles V2 and DJI FPV's super wide 150 FOV, giving you an ultra-smooth, real-time view of your flight. 4 Kelvin divided by 60 FPS video. The DJI FPV aircraft can record 4 Kelvin divided by 60 FPS video at up to 120 Mbps, capturing crisp details that make footage look as exhilarating as the flight. Brand new S mode. Get the dynamic look of FPV footage easily in S mode. This hybrid flight mode combines the freedom of flying manually with the simplified controls of previous DJI drones. Advanced safety features. An auxiliary bottom light, smart return to home, low battery RTH, and forward and downward obstacle sensing are all integrated into DJI FPV to help ensure a safe flight, even at high speeds. OCUSYNC 3.0 transmission system. Enjoy crystal clear real-time and HD low latency transmission video, even at distances of up to 6.2 miles. So friends, if you want to buy this drone, you can see the link to buy the drone in the comment or description box of this video. You can buy the drone from our website by clicking on that link. And stay with us by subscribing to our channel, because you will get more videos on this channel with offers to buy various products at huge discounts. One more thing, this video must be given a like, so today you all stay well.